you are going to love the 2015 Kia Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, power brakes, front wheel drive, auto off headlights, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.